Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minced and join me in today's video on how to make chicken afritada. It is a Filipino stew made with tender chicken pieces, potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, wild chili pepper, and tomato sauce. It's a hearty and comforting dish that's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and seasonings according to your taste preference. Chicken afritada is a versatile dish, so you can also add other ingredients like hot dogs, chorizo, or pineapple chunks for a unique twist. Whether it's a festive gathering or a cozy lunch and weeknight dinner, chicken afritada promises a culinary experience that nourishes both body and soul, as well as having delightfully delicious meal. There you have it. It's chicken afritada. guaranteed to have your taste buds satisfying all the way to the dinner table.